So hello friends, if you are one of them who is struggling to speak English, who is keen to speak English, who is seeking opportunity to learn English, who is willing to speak English, and who is longing to speak English but one does not want to step out from comfort zone, right? If you have lack of confidence, if you hesitate while speaking, if you get stuck while speaking, then this is the best video for you that will help you a lot in speaking English journey. So stay tuned and watch the complete video, and I hope you would like the video. Okay, then watch the complete video and don't forget to share your feedback whether it is compliment or it is suggestions. So you should leave at least compliment so that I can and I would be able to correct myself and to improve myself, because when you are learning and I'm learning, that makes our bond, and let's make a bond. We learn together. Let's have a mutual bonding and mutual learning. We learn together and grow together, right? So just watch the complete video and don't forget to leave your compliment, feedback, suggestion, right? Okay. And so hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, English with Seven. I hope you all are doing well. You all are fit and fine. So today we'll have general conversations. We'll talk generally about English speaking English. Like if you have clicked on this video, that means you are quite enough, and even you are quite enough and I'm quite enough to understand that you are on the way. You want to improve your speaking English, you want to be fluent in English, right? So just be connected with this channel. It will help you a lot, right? Even it is about topic wise solutions, and even it is about speaking skills. Like let's have a challenge for 1 week, and we will learn together and grow together, right? So let's have a challenge for 7 days. Like, okay, so the first thing is I'm telling you, like, listen, like we have took challenge for 7 days. Apart from this, I'm telling you one more thing, why it is so important to learn English, right? There are so many reasons. There are so many reasons to learn English. The first one is, like, if you are able to understand English, like, everything will be quite easy for you to understand most of the things, right? I am not here to tell you that your life is incomplete without English, without learning English. Not, it is not like that, right? You can live with pride without learning English, but what happens if you learn English, if you are able to understand English, it will be quite enough, quite good for you, and it can improve your fluency, like it can improve your personality, it can improve your speaking skills, right? So these are the thing. Like one more stereotype things I want to tell you in, like, we can say it's a true color of our society. What happens, like, if you are well educated, you are settled, and you are getting decent salary, no matter what you are getting, but you have a decent lifestyle, you are well settled, right? And you made one mistake at a point by reading English, by speaking English, by writing. So, like, you will get to know that even how well educated you are, it does not matter for them. They will say that you are not well educated, you are not even able to speak English, even able to write English. So these are the questions that that rise during. So these are the important aspects of learning English. And one more thing is to learn English. Like, if you are able to learn English, if you have learned English, so that could be quite enough to understand another culture, right? Another culture that will be easy to understand for you, right? So these are the most important things that we should learn English. Right? Now I'm telling you, uh, like as the way I'm speaking right now, I know that I'm not guide for you, but definitely I just told you that we can grow together. Like let's have a challenge for 7 days, and I'm requesting you to please record yourself, right? Record yourself, like first day, just day 1, day 2, day 3, just as a way, just record yourself first day, just speak anything, whatever you want, like whatever wherever you are, just if you are inside the room, just look around and speak in English. Whatever comes in your mind, just read in English, and let's record yourself. And I'm telling you, just challenge yourself for 7 days and just watch the last video and the after 7 days, right? Just first video, day 1 video, just watch the first day 1 video, and then watch day 7 videos, and like observe the things that you have improved. You can see the drastical improvement you can see in your behavior, in your speaking skills, like in your personality, your confidence. Like listen, I'm telling you one thing, don't be hesitated, right? I'm telling you an example why you should not be hesitated. Like it is about my learning period when I was in learning period, when I was learning initially, when I was a beginner. Still I'm beginner, I'm trying to learn English with different persons, on the different platforms. So when there was a person, I think I don't need to take name. uh, he was speaking fluently, and he later my teacher told me that he did lot of mistakes grammatically, and you would be amazed to know that he was speaking drastically. He was like he does not take pause, but he usually used to make mistakes, but he when he started speaking, like he spoke so many times, right? So this is the reasons why you should start. Like if you have started, and the one I'm telling you, two type of persons, like the first one have not for the first one has not started, and second one has started, right? Then the first one is not started and the second one has started, means ki the second one who has started is far away from those type of people, those type of like candidates who are longing to speak English, but they are not trying to speak, right? So if you are making mistakes, don't hesitate, don't lose your hope, don't lose your confidence that you made mistake and you are making mistakes. And it can discourage you, like you are unable to speak English in futures, you could be unable to speak English. So I'm telling you, don't be hesitate, just speak fluently whatever you want to speak, whatever you want to express your thoughts, just speak. Listen, I'm telling you one thing, what happened to me. Listen, it is not man-made story. It happened to me, and that's the reason I started learning English. I started speaking English. Actually, when I was second year of graduations, it is few years back. Few years back when I was in second year. So what happened to me that one of my relative came to my room and asked me one sentence. This is the real incident that took place with me, that happened to me. I'm not lying here. So what happened, he asked me about one he asked me one sentence. He asked me one sentence exactly. I don't have idea like what was the sentence, but I remember the one word. There was function, 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 right? There was a function word, like, and you'd be like amazed to know that I was unable to understand the meaning of function. Yes, I was unable to understand. And do you know one thing? There was my father also. Like father was sitting in front of us, and like he asked me a question. He asked me question. Now you can think. Now you can imagine how embarrassing moment for me it was. And he told me again one sentence that you are in second year of graduation and you are not even no you do not know even function what does it mean. So I was so embarrassed at that time. And they like they last then I was depressed like. And like one of my friends would be listen, if he will listen, if they will listen, and if they will watch this video, definitely they will feel familiar with the situation because they have seen me while talking. Like what happened. So I started talking, right? And it was the time when I was completely mad behind English. I was trying hard to speak English. I just became mad to speak English. Uh, Day was nothing for me, night was nothing for me, afternoon was nothing for me, and morning was nothing for me. Even my mother used to tell me that why you used to use phone always, why you spend all the times all the day on phone. She used to tell me. And one of my friends, like he's not my friend, and he's much older than me, much older to me. But like whenever I know we used to go out for walking in the evening, it usually happens in our friend circle. We used to go outside for walking in most of the time evening. Right? So I remember he used to tell me, why Sarvan, you are speaking in English, why you have learned English. And what happens, I don't know what happens, but uh, I left speaking English. I left practicing, and that's what happened to me. And to be honest, I just left practicing everything. And today this morning, I was scrolling I don't know. I think 2 to 3 days ago, I just started feeling to learn again, to speak again, and to make conversations, to have conversation with different type of persons who were like this. But I should have conversation, right? So in this morning, today's morning, I have installed applications. I will tell you. I just recommend you this application. This is one of the best application because today I know complete day I use this application. This is applications, like I'm telling you, like this one is, and the name of this application is Speedup. This is one of the best platform to learn English, to have conversations. Even there are so many features, like I'm telling you, they are there are section role play, like if you are going to for you are going for interview. So like these are the things, like role play with AI. Another thing is practice with AI. Like there are so many, like if you want to means connect with the same kind of people, like with the on based of profession, if you want to connect, then there is sections you can select on the basis of your interest. So that was the thing that I wanted to tell you through the video, because this is the medium through which I would be able to express my thoughts, ideas. So let's discuss new things, new cultures by learning English. Listen, don't in last, I would again tell you that don't lose your head. If you don't lose your head. Sorry, it's my fault because I don't know how. This is the problem that happens with me whenever I try to speak. It happens with me, and I get stuck. And this is the thing that happens usually with me while speaking, right? So, Khair, um, as I told you, don't lose your hope if you are making mistake, and don't lose your confidence. Like confidence is not the thing that that you born with, right? You can earn it, you can gain it, you can practice it, right? So don't lose your confidence. Just be confident and start your journey. And don't forget to record yourself. And as I told you, just if you wanted to challenge yourself with me, just challenge yourself and start speaking English. And if you are continued continuously watch the complete video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned with me to improve your speaking English and for the guidance. Right. So thanks for watching and subscribe my video because I'm one of you and I'm just trying hard to improve my speaking English, and this is the reason why I'm recording I myself. Like the first day, I'm just challenging myself, and I'm just recording my speaking English journey the first day because it was like कहावत है ना कि देर भले दुरुस्त सही, देर भले दुरुस्त सही, I think it is like that. तो ठीक है, we should start. So okay, um, let's end the session and we'll talk together. Let's have a challenge for 7 days and for wait